don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.
From this video onwards, we are starting with a new topic, that is email marketing. What is email marketing is, you are marketing yourself with the help of email. Means you are announcing something, you are sending a response to email, you are subscribing something through email. When you are playing out with the market with the help of email, that is called as email marketing. So from this video onwards, we are going to learn in depth about email marketing. What is email marketing? Then how we are going to create templates, we are going to create campaigns, we are going to create groups, and so many other features, integrated features, how we are going to put ads on Facebook and all those things. So in this video, we are basically going to learn all about email. See, how you are going to send anyone a subscription, a validation of that thing, then a welcome response to them, or if they want to unsubscribe themselves, then an email to them. If you are coming with a new offer or a new program, then sending the email to them. A automated service that you are going to learn here, that is going to make your work more easy. There are templates over here. We are going to work on a website to get all these services, that is Mailchimp.com. In the next video onwards, we are going to learn how to log in, how to create an account, and how to work on Mailchimp.com. So from this video onwards, we are going to learn all about email marketing.